Hello everyone. Today's topic is FINTRAC Compliance, or where is the money coming from? A recent study is focusing on how real estate buyers are using nameless corporations to attempt to launder money when purchasing real estate in Canada. Real estate agents, brokerages, lawyers, and lenders all have a role to play in making sure you are not caught up in this. While giving my own FINTRAC seminars to brokerages or conducting FINTRAC audits on a brokerage and its FINTRAC policy, I have been able to identify 5 areas where brokerages can improve or make sure they are not part of this problem. Number 1, verify the corporation and the person signing. The main issue identified in the study is real estate purchased by numbered companies may not have any real connection to Canada and are used as a vehicle to launder money. Make sure you ask for the articles of incorporation or a recent tax assessment to make sure the person signing for the company has authority, and then personally identify the person signing. Number 2, are there other directors, shareholders, and addresses for the corporation? It is also important to ask if there are any other directors, and if so, their names and addresses must be listed as well. In addition, if anyone else owns 25% or more of the shares of the corporation, these shareholders and their addresses must also be listed. Also look for the registered office of the corporation as well, which should be on the articles of incorporation or the tax assessment. Number 3, ask the lawyer if you cannot verify the information yourself. The buyer lawyer will also have to verify that the person signing for the company has authority. If you're not sure how to read the documents, consult with the buyer lawyer who can review all the company documents contained in the minute book to make sure you have all the proper information. Number 4, where is the money coming from? No one expects you to be a detective, yet under the FINTRAC guidelines for completing the receipt of funds form, it is requested that you obtain verification of the account number where the deposit money is coming from. If you have a certified check, it will identify the name and the account, but it is more challenging if a bank draft is used, as the account information is not on it. While FINTRAC asks that you obtain either a void or canceled check from the account that was used or a bank form showing the account information, the fact is that many clients will refuse to give this to you due to legitimate fears, perhaps, about identity theft. In that case, ask the client directly if the deposit came from their account, and then write on the receipt of funds form something to the effect of buyer confirms deposit came from their bank account. Number 5, is the company officer connected to your community? When the person signing for a company is connected to your community, there is less likelihood for fraudulent activity. This is why it is so important to clearly complete the occupation of the buyer on the FINTRAC forms, as it shows the buyer is connected to your community. Different precautions will have to be used when you are dealing with, for example, overseas buyers. If you have any questions related to any of the issues raised in this newsletter, or you wish to schedule FINTRAC training or an audit of your own FINTRAC policies, or you wish to make use of our own mobile closing services this year, please contact me toll-free at 1-888-876-5529 or at mark@realestatelawyers.ca. Thank you.